Hey, nigga, I don't wanna talk.
These are the ingredients I'll be using for today's DIY. We have whipping cream, honey, baking soda, turmeric, and lemon. By the way, I didn't do any measurements because I feel like this type of stuff is like self-explanatory. Well, to me, like, you know, just eyeball it. This is how it looks. It's like real pasty or whatever, because that's what you need. Like, you need that. I got wood. I keep these, like, because I'm always doing some shit. I always do stuff like wax my own legs, shit like that. I like to save a coin. But anyway, you want to be careful because I heard this stains. Now, I wouldn't know because I don't let it drop. I don't waste nothing. Okay. Oh God, this is okay. This is kind of cold. It's cold as shit. Damn. Sorry, y'all, if I'm not looking in the camera, I'm looking at my underarm. Oh, I forgot to show you. Okay, so this is the before. Damn, I look strong as shit. Like, I look like Serena Williams. But you see, it's dark. But we gonna get that fixed. Oh yeah, make sure y'all use like a paper towel because bitch, you don't want that shit on your shirt. Okay. Okay. Now the second one. And Kelly in here. Tripping. Good thing I had that paper towel. See, good idea, girl. Get that paper towel. Okay, now that that's over, I'm going to leave this on for about probably like 15-20 minutes. And just like that, I played myself. You see this? This is a hot rag. Y'all probably like, why you using this white rag? Bitch, this rag been through a lot. Hell and high waters. Turmeric ain't nothing. Turmeric ain't nothing. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to throw this away. It look like curry powder on my damn arms. Like I was just lathering in it like I'm a pig or something. Alright, let me. Okay, so I still got my shirt dirty, so to all the viewers out there, if you're gonna use a shirt, use the one you don't like the most.